has had, have had, and had had. Why do native speakers say, "She has had a fever for 3 days"? "I have had this phone since 2021. They had had dinner before I arrived." Why are there two had words sometimes? And what tense are these? Simple present, present perfect, past perfect. Today, I will explain everything step by step in a very easy way. Let's begin. Part 1. First, understand the verb have. Before we study has had, have had, and had had, we must understand the verb have. The verb have changes like this. Base form or verb 1 is have, past tense or verb 2 is had, and past participle or verb 3 is also had. Notice carefully. The past form and the past participle are both had. That is why English sentences sometimes look confusing. Part 2. Has had and have had. Present perfect tense. Now let's talk about has had and have had. These are both in the present perfect tense. Very important. Present perfect formula is subject plus has or have plus past participle. The past participle of have is had. So, has plus had and have plus had. When do we use the present perfect? We use the present perfect when something started in the past and is still connected to the present. This connection to now is very important. Part 3. When do we use as had? We use has had if the subject of the sentence is he, she, it, and singular nouns. Example 1. She has had a fever for 3 days. Let's understand the time. Past, the fever started 3 days ago. Present, she still has the fever now. That is why we use the present perfect tense. Has had. Example 2. My brother has had the same car since 2020. Meaning, past, he got the car in 2020. Present, he still owns the car now. Again, the situation continues until now. So we use present perfect has had. Example 3. The teacher has had many problems recently. Meaning, the problems happened before now. The problems are connected to the present. So again, present perfect, has had. Other examples. She has had a cough since Monday. My father has had this job for 10 years. The company has had many difficulties recently. Part 4. When do we use have had? Have had equals present perfect. We use have had if the subject of the sentence is I, you, we, they, and plural nouns. Example 1. I have had this laptop for 5 years. Meaning, past, I bought the laptop 5 years ago. Present, I still use it now. So we use present perfect, have had. Example 2. They have had many exams this month. Meaning, the exams happened earlier this month. The month is not finished yet. The situation is still connected to now. So, present perfect, have had. Part 5. Now, let's study had. This is different. Had is not present perfect. It is past perfect tense. Past perfect formula. Subject plus had plus past participle. The past participle of have is had. So, had plus had. When do we use the past perfect? We use the past perfect when one past action happened before another past action. There are two actions in the past. One happened first. One happened later. The earlier action uses had. Example 1. They had had dinner before I arrived. Let's look carefully. First action, they ate dinner. Second action, I arrived. Dinner happened earlier, so the earlier action uses had. And this is past perfect tense. Example 2. She had had the same phone for years before she bought a new one. Meaning, first action, she owned the same phone for years. Second action, she bought a new phone. So, the earlier action uses had. Example 3. I had had a terrible headache before the meeting started. Meaning, first action, I experienced the headache. Second action, the meeting started. So we use past perfect had. Other examples. They had had breakfast before school started. She had had many difficulties before she became successful. By the time we arrived, they had had dinner. Keep practicing by making your own sentences. The more examples you read and hear, the more natural these structures will become. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next lesson.